Hey guys, this is Karol yet with another affiliate marketing video, and today we're going to talk about a question that was actually brought to me by one of you guys. I get quite some questions either from here on YouTube, from comments, or on my Instagram account. So if you have any questions about a topic that you would like me to talk about, to record a video about, then let me know in the comments section below, alright? And I'll be more than happy to have a look at it. Alright, so the question that was brought to me is, how do you actually make your first sale as an affiliate? Alright, and now there is a lot of information about affiliate marketing on YouTube, valuable information everywhere, alright, which most of it is focused on what is actually affiliate marketing, what are the benefits of it, alright, but not that much about how do you actually get your sales, alright, how to actually make those profits and the affiliate marketing work for you, alright. Now in my channel I focus not only about general information about affiliate marketing, but also about how do you actually implement it into your actual business, alright, how to actually create your affiliate marketing business. Obviously I have content about affiliate marketing in general to explain what it is and what is it all about, but I also focus on actually implementing the things that you need in order to build the affiliate marketing business. Now I hope that you understand that I cannot go into a great detail about how to actually implement all those stuffs, all those things and steps in these kind of short YouTube videos, but that's why I've created a 4-day video series where I literally go from A to Z on how to actually build your conversion machine, how do you actually build your affiliate marketing business, a sustainable, consistent business that gets you consistent sales, alright, and profits in your business. It's completely free, you get full access to it, it's directly by me, alright. So if you're interested in that, if you want a blueprint literally of how to create all of this stuff, it's right there in the description below, is the first link in the description below. Now the reason why it is not on YouTube or somewhere else and it's rather on my website is that I want people who are serious about this business to see it. I want people who want to change their lives, who are serious about it and want to learn literally how to do it. You know, if you're here just to kind of like know how to get rich quick, you know, or get a sale here, you know, and that's it, then unfortunately this is not for you. This is for people who are serious about it, who want to build kind of like their lifestyle about affiliate marketing and want to work in it, want to focus on it and kind of like build a sustainable business in affiliate marketing. Alright, so if you're the one like that, then go ahead and grab my 4-day video series down there. Alright guys, so let's get back to our today's topic, which is how do you actually make your first sale as an affiliate, alright? Now, there is lots of information about sales and affiliate marketing, and I want to stress out one topic that, especially me, I was hooked up on this for quite some time, and it is many people or many gurus will say to you that it's all about the first sale, okay? You need to make your first sale and then everything changes, alright? After the first sale, everything is just going to flood naturally to you, alright? The clients and the sales are going to flow to you and all of that stuff, alright? So I was hooked up on this, and if you follow my story through different YouTube videos, you know that I've been in this journey for quite some time, few years now, and I've been into different courses, different methods. I use different methods, and for this one I was really hooked up on this, and I was following one of these gurus, alright, and in this course, and he was like pretty much saying, you know, it's all about the first sale, it changes everything. And I was really like, okay, I need to make the first sale and it's going to work for me, right? Now, don't get me wrong, getting your first sale is really important because it changes your perspective, okay? It shifts your mind, and suddenly you have that experience that, okay, this is possible, right? You see the result and now you can actually believe in this whole thing. All right, so from this point of view it is important, but it's more about how do you actually make that sale. Okay, now let me explain. When I was kind of like starting out, I was basically following, you know, a course and all of that stuff, and it was all about that first sale. So I was like, okay, I need to get that sale. So I was following this process exactly step by step, and I got the sale. All right, I was super excited. I was like, yes, this is real now, my life is going to change, right? And guess what happened afterwards? Nothing. I didn't get any other sales. All right, and I was confused, I was like frustrated, I didn't know what's wrong. All right, now looking back at it, it's pretty obvious to me what was wrong, but back then I was like really like confused, I didn't know what's wrong. But what was even worse was that I wasn't even in profit with that sale. Okay, I was in a loss, and the reason why is that many, I don't want to say all of them, but many of these gurus who tell you that the first sale is most important will teach you or tell you to use paid traffic to get this first sale. Now, there is nothing wrong with paid traffic. Actually, it's very, very powerful, very useful, and you can make lots of money with it. But you need to know what you're doing, okay? You need to know what you're doing, and you need to be willing to invest a certain budget in the beginning in it, all right? Now, my problem was that not only I had no budget to invest, but I had no idea what I'm doing, okay? And that was kind of like my biggest trouble, okay? I was just kind of like pouring the money into it, but I didn't know what I'm doing. I didn't know how to test, I didn't know what to test, you know, that's what they tell you many times, just test. But I didn't know what to look for, you know, in those testing, like whether this stat is important or this one, or what is actually important in that. So I ended up pretty much losing money on it, all right? And I got 1 or 2 sales here and there, but that was like literally nothing compared to what I invested into it. So luckily I stopped very quickly, okay? I was like, okay, this is not going where it is supposed to go, so I stopped. But many people lose quite a lot of money, thousands of dollars, just like this, you know, flushed in the toilet, honestly. So it's more about how do you make the first sale, or how do you make your sales, rather than actually just making the sales, okay? Because as you can see now, you can have, let's say, 100 sales, but if you make only, like, if you make from those 100 sales $2,000, but you invested, I don't know, 4,000 into the ads, you're 2,000 minus, right? So it's not about making the first sale, it's about how do you make your first sales, or how do you actually make your sales, all right? Now, with paid advertisement, just one more thing, it's very important to know what you're doing. So if you're a complete beginner and you want fast results, then go ahead and find a proper course that will teach you exactly how do you make and actually work with those paid traffic with that particular method, okay? Now, with regards to the whole idea about how do you make your first sale, it's more about creating a sustainable business, okay? Because you can either make sales here and there, okay, without knowing actually what you're doing, no idea what you're doing, okay? You don't know how do you actually build this business, you know, it's more about, you know, you don't have the control about of the sales. Here are the sales, and then the next month there are no sales, and you don't know really why, okay? So it's more about building a sustainable business out of it, that the sales are coming in consistently, all right? Week in, week out, month in, month out, day in, day out, okay? It's all about that, and that's when everything changes. That's when you see that, okay, this is something powerful, and actually my life completely changed, all right? So this is about it, okay? This is about creating this business, about the consistent sales, all right? Now, if you're only here to find out how do you actually make your first sale, how do you know, get rich quick, how to make a fast $100 sale or anything like that, unfortunately this is not for you. I don't know actually how to do that. If you want, just go ahead and just, get paid traffic, invest into ads, send traffic to those ads, and that's it. You will get definitely a sale, 100%. I'm not going to tell you if you're going to be in a profit or loss, probably in a loss, all right? But you will definitely get the sale. But if you're interested in building a consistent business out of this, all right, if you want, or if you're even willing to change your lifestyle to this, all right, it doesn't matter if you're in a 9-to-5 job, if you have a part-time job only, or if you already have a business, a brick and mortar store, or an e-shop, whatever it is, it's going to change your lifestyle, all right? Affiliate marketing has that power to change your lifestyle completely, It has all of that, what you hear about it, the laptop lifestyle and all of that is possible, but you will need to be willing, to make that shift. So if you're one of those guys, then I highly encourage you to grab the 4-day video series where I go literally from A to Z on how to build this machine, this conversion model, and your affiliate marketing business that makes you the consistent sales and creates your affiliate marketing business. All right, so if you're interested in that, go ahead, click the link in the description below. It's the first one over there, and hopefully you liked this video. Hopefully you now see the power in it, and you see actually why making the first sale is not that much of a big issue or a big deal. All right, if so, give me thumbs up, let me know in the comments section below what you think about it. All right, what is your perception of it? If you have any topics that you would like me to record or talk about, again, leave them in the comment section below. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching, thank you for being here, and if you opt in for the 4 days video series, I will see you inside of there. If not, then I wish you a great week ahead, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.